This episode is brought to you by twolinedmusichutstore.com. Twolinedmusichutstore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's twolinedmusichutstore.com. Now let's check out this episode. Before we get to Bass Odyssey, I want to go back one thing. I want to know the Bounty link, because that's going to lead to Bass Odyssey. How did you guys connect with Bounty in the first place?
Okay, it was me and Metro play in the hills. I'm going to tell you something, most, we don't play enough in the town now, we play in the country. So me and Metro in the hills, I play. I mean, I murder Metro, I tell you, I walk over Sky Juice like him name dead in the dance, the blouse and skirt. Seriously. Well, me and Freddie Freddie they thought that night, they me a spin. When I come out to mixing, Freddie said, boy, you know, see nobody could have mixed like me. I mean, used to mix like frig, you know. Freddie, sometimes I wonder, sometimes with the tune coming already. I say, yeah, long time.
Remember, it was you, Delano, you and
Click.
Crystal, you and Rory. So clearly you understood the mixing. You were a mixer before you were a talker. So that was
yeah. So that was it. So we did it, and man, mash up Metro, man, go on, boom, 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 boom. Then all of a sudden, I get so confident in myself. I say, Freddie, give me the mic. So I say, Sky Juice, you last another dancer, you know. So because the people them every round we play a PFR, we get, you know, Sky Juice play some dead round where nobody now respond to him. One and two people I say, but the dancers are response to it. So me go take the mic and say, yo, I try to do something for you, make it easier. I will play 1-for-1, dub for dub. And Sky Juice say, hey, you want to play dub for dub? All right, I'll play the first dub. I say, no problem, because you're the way back in the dance, you can't come back. And the man go say, massive, he ask him, play Metro dub for dub, hear this. And I'm going to put on him name Bounty Hunter them time there. And the tune said, them attack, but then my dub for dub, but we no care. Them attack for dub, tell them go dub them mother. Me say, blood, father, the man get a forward there. I said, where the blows and skirt this come from? And it's like, we answer him, but the answer wasn't that strong. So in coming and like him find a juice, and when Sky Juice find juice, it's like the 1-for-1, him and start one. So I said, damn, I'm bringing back into the dance to rotted. What the fuck I just did? So him end up that when the dance, I say, you know, came in a Sky Juice, you equalize up the dance. You know what I'm saying? Because you did a way back. Nobody may go make a mistake and bring you back in the dance. But you must say him win. So I say, all right, you want to take it, go on with it. But anyway, the artist there. And when him again, I say Bounty Hunter. So you can find him saying him the jammies and sometimes they most of arrows. I say, hey, all right. So the next day I'm go arrows go look for him. Walk past the man, you know. You know what? Clark's boot, what them call him? Desert, whatever. Two out tight, white squall, you know, and shorts. Walk past him when I say, little. Sorry. I say, I look for a youth named Bounty Hunter. The tune, him do a tune named Dub for Dub. I say, you pass him outside there, you know. Pass him outside. Dude, no. I want dude sit down out there, a white collar bun out. I say, him and him that. So what? So I go outside and say, yo, are you named Bounty Hunter? I say, yeah. Well, I guess I'm first fall in love with a youth there, you know. And when some man thinks, when man and man fall in love, them piece or something, you know, a kind of homophobic thing, but none of that. It's just the respect when I have for the youth from them time, they told know I'm the same person, you know. Enough people tell me, say, DJ change when certain thing happen to them. Me can't say this for Killer. From the time me know Killer to now, Killer not change. Killer the same Killer. That's when he bring out the tune say, nothing change, Killer. You know, him the same somebody or whatever I said, and speak the truth.
Yeah.
You know? So I'm cross and ignorant back then, you know. So when I see him say, Yeah, man. Metro used that tune upon me last night. More get the man. So everybody come out for one tune. Me more than one tune, you know. Nobody say yeah, more than one tune. I say yeah. So I say Bounty Hunter. I say you don't go by the name Bounty Hunter. Bounty killer my name now. I say eh. All right, come rude boy. Me go Vice. They get 8 tune from the man in a rude boy.
Okay.
8 tune. But before me get them 8 tune from him. Bass Odyssey killed me the week before that.
What happened in that dance? And where was that Bass Odyssey dance?
Clarkstone.
Okay.
Right there in here, right there in the backyard.
No, you mean Steertown?
Steertown, yeah. You mean Clarkstone.
Clarkstone is Sky Juice.
Yeah. Sky Juice. Yeah, man. That man. Woo! I dance there. Yeah, boss is one rock song with a T. Well, we did play them before with Tina One. Pan it, which was nothing. We did kill them time there. But when Squingy and Glamour G, they pan it, me talk about Linky and any other who come after. Squingy was the, oh shit. I used to make my bounce up my game, you know.
Yeah.
Me and become good friends after though. I used to make my bounce up my game. I'm telling man, I'm going on the dance with Bass Odyssey. I'm asking, sure, walk around this again. And the man come on and turn on and eat them. And then they bring out the tune them with them always turn on with the budgie and the cable tan. And me I say blouse and skirt. I tell you, say Steertown land mash up. When I go back at town, a man saw the dance come, I say, rude boy, are the worst beat me ever get in my life. Not even my mother beat me so a blouse and skirt. No, seriously, man. So that was it leading up to me getting them born today. Because they will play them the following week after I play Metro.
Okay.
So I say, this is my arsenal. Them time they get Kappa shot, Lodge. Y'all say yes. Me get about, I can't remember the other 5 when me get, but all of them was dangerous. Literally dangerous, man. When I'm not playing none of them tunes and nobody knows me get them. One thing them did give me the dub for dub. Him name did give me it.
You didn't end up that's the one that you went for and you didn't
getting it. Me getting the copper shot come and I say, oh, when me and my DJ pan the general and pan the slant thing, I say, whoa, oh shit. So I'm gonna buy some more tune pan the slant come. I have to pay for Bass Odyssey that time, you know. So okay, when I win the first one, me also want to go for the second one. So I'm gonna go play Bass Odyssey the night now. Them dead there, and them always wait till about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock for unleash them round pan, you know. Because them know so we in at the dance and the peak of the dance with nobody, you know what I'm saying? So me dead there, I throw them can, you know. You know, when you say you feed the fowl, I make the fowl because you want to catch them. I did I throw them can, you know, I go at them, but I now touch my bun to them, you know. I did I throw them can and them take the beat till about 1 o'clock in the round, the man and come out with them eat and mash up the dance. And I said, damn. They really have an impact on them people with them tune, yeah. And when them done with them, they call me back. I say, yeah, the last place, you know, I couldn't recover, you know. Tonight, different. Telling you this straight up. Squingy, I'm sorry for you tonight. I don't know which side you're asleep on tonight when I'm done with you, but I'm sorry for you. I'm say, people, you see them tune what them play. I don't hear them the first time me and them play. I don't hear them tonight. I just see them, boy, get up come down in a one pants and there's a little story about life and them thing there. And, you know what I'm saying? The poetry and them thing and the Cape and them. Same tune them. So tonight, I hear something different and a Super Dee bring it to. I don't want to hear a song. Super Dee bring it to. It's the artist, if they find one other artist and them box one tune in them box with the artist, Super Dee, me just know where play for the next round. So I'm going to say, people, listen to this. Them called Bounty Killer. Super Dee, I bust him out. And I say, when I drop and hear people dead, We no have mercy. Super Dee them get we gun thirsty. Lord of mercy. Dude, I just a part there and gunshot and start finding the fucking dance father. And when the man say, when me say, wait there, the intro this and I go so, hold on there, listen and then me put on again, people then, here, Super Dee here. Then I'm coming and say, Super Dee gun no giant, no giant, no giant church disrespect me. Father, Pierre pull up. And then right behind him, draw John Wayne tune will say, wala la leng, la 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 leng, scam dan dan, so me say we call the police. Yo, steer to land, the fence kick down, literally kick down. Kick down. Yo, me just unleash everything upon them that around them, man. The wrong with them come in and nothing go on for them. I come in again and unleash a couple more bounty upon them and say, blah, blah, find them bounty. So, I'll give you this now. Before me get them tune one bounty, when me get them, I tell bounty say, yo, after me don't play them tune, enough artists, enough sound man run come see you. Remember, I tell you that. So me and you, if we have a good relationship, that anytime I want to, boy, and bounty say, nuts. Yeah. If you make that happen, anything you want. And I saw me and bounty become friends, rude boy. I don't know up to this very day, but back in the 90's and the early 2000s, nobody could have played bounty like Super Dee. Nobody. Now you hear about Addies and all of them.
We're gonna get there because that's where I want to go next. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.